Use a flush valve to blow clogs out of an HVAC condensate drain line by applying pressurized air or nitrogen downstream and directing the flow away from the evaporator coil. Start by shutting the system off at the thermostat and power disconnect to prevent the coil from running while you work. Locate the flush valve at the downstream side of the trap or at the condensate drain riser. If the valve has a threaded cap, remove it and attach a pressure-rated hose with a female fitting or use a quick connect adapter. Set a regulated source to a safe pressure, typically between 15 and 30 pounds per square inch for residential lines, and confirm the line downstream is routed to a floor drain or safe discharge point away from equipment and finished surfaces. Open the valve briefly in 1 to 3 second bursts while watching for steady water and debris flow. Do not apply continuous high pressure because the slope and joints can be damaged or the trap can be dislodged. After several short bursts, run water through the pan or pour a quart of water into the drain near the coil to verify full flow and to reseat the trap seal. Finish by removing the hose, replacing any caps, and restoring power to the system while observing for normal drainage during the next cooling cycle. If you do not have a flush valve, use a threaded union fitting or access port if available. Remove the union cap and fit a nozzle from a water hose or a hand pump sprayer to blast the clog with water and air in short pulses, then reinstall and tighten the union gasket to prevent leaks. Another option is to disconnect the condensate line at a convenient access point and use a shop vacuum on the open end to draw the clog out while someone pours water into the condensate pan to push debris toward the vacuum. Avoid using extreme pressure from a compressor directly at the coil because copper pans, plastic traps, and glued joints can fail. When in doubt, use lower pressure and repeat more times. If the line remains blocked after these steps, consider a flexible drain auger designed for drain lines, or call a technician to avoid damaging coils or creating a hidden leak. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for system care and other projects, and we also connect contractors with work in their service area. We host a discussion community where we and our members share practical tips, troubleshooting experiences, and vendor recommendations to help each other complete repairs and maintenance.